Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Life is Grand and the Designer Series paper Gingham Gala. I'm also going to be using a Stamparatus because I do not believe the technique that I'll be sharing with you today can be done on an acrylic block. So I have my sentiment here, hello dear friend, and I am inking up with a dauber my Melon Mambo. So I'm just doing a portion of this stamp with Melon Mambo. My middle portion of the stamp is going to be Mango Melody, and the last little bit is going to be Pineapple Punch. Now, I did say that I was going to be featuring the Gingham Gala Designer Series paper, and that actually features Daffodil Delight, which is another yellow, but I wanted to live on the edge here, so I'm using Pineapple Punch just because I wanted a more brighter yellow, that's all. Now my rectangle pieces were cut with the big shot with the rectangle stitch dies, but again, you do not have to use anything fancy. You can just cut a rectangle and place it on your card. So this is Whisper White Thick card base. It's a regular size card base, and my Gingham Gala Designer Series paper goes down first over the card base, and I have a little extra strip here and waste not want not. I'm just going to stick that in the middle of the card so that there's some interest there. So here's my Living on the Edge Pineapple Punch stitched card, and I'm just going to put that Whisper White piece right over top of it. Now I do go in and embellish it with Happiness Blooms embellishments, but I will make one little statement here. When you are putting your focal pieces on cattywampus style like this, just make sure that your sentiment is nice and straight. So thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.